Good day, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share with you a transformative learning journey entitled Mastering English Sounds, a journey through pronunciation with mobile apps. This 5 to 7 day unit is crafted for our grade 7 learners under the MetaTag curriculum with a focused mission to empower students to master English pronunciation using mobile technology. As we dive in, you'll discover how tech-infused learning can amplify traditional teaching, giving our students the tools to speak confidently and accurately. Let's start with a big picture. This unit is tailored for 12 to 13 years old learners at a stage where they're curious, tech-savvy, and ready to explore language beyond textbooks. We're embracing a multimodal learning style, particularly on visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, to cater to diverse learners. Our digital allies, Elsa Speak, Sounds Up, and Voice Thread. These tools don't just support learning, they transform it. At the heart of this unit is a key competency: understanding and applying correct pronunciation of English sounds in words and simple sentences. Through mobile integration, we're turning pronunciation practice into an engaging, interactive experience. Our learning objectives follow the SMART model, or the specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. By the end of this unit, students will, first, differentiate vowel and consonant sounds with 90% accuracy, pronounce grade-level words accurately even in sentences, apply rhythm, stress, and intonation in dialogue tasks, use mobile apps to self-correct and monitor their own pronunciation, and last, reflect on their journey through a digital journal. We're not just aiming for the root accuracy, however, we are building pronunciation confidence. So why these three apps? It's simple. They each play a unique role. For the Elsa Speak, it delivers personalized coaching using AI. Sounds Up builds phonemic awareness with an interactive IPA chart. And for the Voice Thread, it fosters collaboration and feedback through shared audio projects. These apps provide real-time feedback, personalized pathways, and support both independent learning and peer collaboration. Students aren't just passive receivers. However, they are active language explorers. Ilsa Speak is like having a personal pronunciation coach in your pocket. Its key features include focus drills on individual sounds, stress and intonation, visual cues that highlight where the mouth and tongue positioning went off, and gamified challenges that motivate even the most hesitant learners. It's pedagogically sound, rooted in mastery, learning, and repetition. As students repeat and refine, they build muscle memory and confidence. Next, the Sounds Up, a favorite for building foundational phonics. This app features an interactive IPE chart that helps demystify those symbols, quizzes, and minimal pair challenges to sharpen listening skills, and offline access, a huge win for areas with unreliable internet. It emphasizes phonics-based instruction, helping students distinguish between often confused sounds. It's an essential stepping stone before moving into more fluid speech. Voice Thread brings social learning into the mix. Here's how it works. Students upload spoken responses to a prompt, peers leave voice or video feedback, and they revise, reflect, and re-record. This supports task-based learning. Students speak in real-world scenarios, not just drills. It's asynchronous too, so students engage when they are ready, fostering a safe and flexible space for authentic pronunciation practice. Let's bring it all together with 3 sample lessons. Lesson 1, Sound Check. Using the Sounds app, students explore the IPE chart and tackle minimal pairs. They self-reflect on tricky sounds. For the Lesson 2, Talk to Tech. With Elsa Speak, learners engage in vocabulary drills and journal their improvement using visual feedback. And for the last Lesson 3, Sound Out Loud. Here's where voice trade shines. Students annotate dialogues, then record and critique one another's performances. These aren't just lessons. They are mini adventures that take students from recognition to fluency. Assessment in this unit is not a one-time event. It's embedded in every activity. Sounds Up offers quick checks through quizzes. Also Speak gives instant feedback and progress reports. The Pronunciation Journal encourages reflective learning, and the Voice Thread invites constructive peer assessment. Each tool provides data for growth, not just for grades. The grand finale, a recorded speaking task, either a dialogue or reading passage using Voice Thread or Elsa Speak. This performance will be evaluated using a rubric focusing on articulation of individual sounds, use of stress and intonation, and overall fluency and rhythm. This task showcases not just what they've learned, but how far they've come. It's a celebration of growth. Technology isn't just a teaching tool. It's an assessment powerhouse. We can track individual progress. Students receive instant feedback, no more waiting for results. Over time, data helps both teachers and students see real improvement. This isn't cold automation. It's empowered learning guided by insightful tech. Of course, no plan is perfect. Challenges may include limited access to device or stable internet, varying levels of tech motivation, privacy concerns especially with recording apps, and for our ethical compass includes protecting student data, ensuring every learner has equitable access, and gaining informed parental consent before sharing recordings. Digital learning should be safe, inclusive, and empowering for all. So what's the big takeaway? Mobile apps can revolutionize pronunciation practice. Students receive real-time personalized feedback, and collaborative platforms like VoiceThread create a supportive, reflective community. In this journey, we're not just teaching sounds, we're nurturing voices with confidence. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you're as excited as I am about the potential of mobile-assisted pronunciation learning. Together, we can help our learners not just speak, but speak with power, clarity, and pride.